Today we are on peak week for our series on strengthening of the hips. So in this week's video we are going to try to do a pistol squat where we come all the way down and come all the way back up again. Welcome to the Flower Empowered. Now this is a very challenging posture, and if the earlier progressions aren't in your body yet, then you should not try this. In fact, you do make sure to read our disclaimer before you try anything in any of our videos. But it's very important that you really pay attention to what your body tells you. But if you've been practicing, if everything that we've done up to now has been working for you and you feel like you have it in your body, then do by all means try this. We're going to start as we have on the previous weeks. Before we begin, drop any ideas of actually getting there or of success. You always have to start with compassion in your practice and with acceptance of whatever you find. So I may not have the pose in my body today, and that's okay. But we're going to try. So we're going to work to come down, and then we're going to work to come back up again. So starting as we have on the earlier weeks, you're going to find the balance so that you are balanced your center of gravity right between your feet, and then you're going to shift it so that it is over the left leg. Release the right leg from the floor, bring the hands around the knees, just find your balance here, nice strong standing leg. I'm not going to look around again. I'm going to reach down for the foot, and we're going to just feel the engagement and straighten the leg. Now, nice, strong standing leg. We're going to come down with control. Come down as far as you feel you have control. That's it for me. And then press back up again. We're going to go again. Come down as far as you feel you have control and come back up again. Bend to the knee and release it. Now, you can see I didn't go all the way down to the floor because my body told me, no, don't go any further. And you have to listen. You really do have to listen. Some days when we practice, we arrive to the mat thinking we can do everything, and the body says, no, you can't do anything, and we just lie down and rest. Other days you arrive and your body says, you got this, and you do. But today we listen. So take the weight over onto the right leg, release the left leg from the floor, take it up halfway, reach under the foot, nice strong standing leg, straighten the extended leg and feel that you're pulling it in, and then start to come down. Come down as far as you feel you've got control, and press to come up again. Come down as far as you feel you've got control, and come up again and release. So you can see I didn't get down very far today, but that's okay. That's completely fine. So what's important is that you feel your body and that you listen to your body. For me, it's important to do what my body is telling me is okay and not to push beyond that. So some days the floor is where you end up all the way down, and you can come straight back up again. Other days you don't get all the way down. Now, you can practice just the lowering to the floor that we've done before, and that really can help to build the strength. If you do it consistently, like if you say every second or every third day, if you work on that, you will get the strength needed to be able to come all the way to the floor and to come all the way back down again. And then you can start to move in different ways. So for example, shifting the weight, taking the leg, you can find your T-pose here. You can come all the way down, come all the way up to wherever you are. You can release the foot, hands on the hips, come straight, and you can work on coming into other poses and really kind of feel the balance in your body. So you can start to play with it. Once you have the strength to be able to come up and down, and you have the strength to take all of these movements, then you can really get adventurous with moving into your body. Play and enjoy what you can do with your body. We should be so very grateful. These legs, these arms, this body, it does so much for us every single day. And if you can just build the relationship with your body, get it to be a little stronger, a little more flexible, get it to drop pain and to build strength where you have weakness, then the quality of your life will improve. I do hope that you have enjoyed this series. If there is something specific you would like covered in a future series, please do leave a little comment down below. Do let me know, or jump onto the website, send a little message from there. If you like the video, like, share or comment. If you're new to the channel, do please subscribe, and wherever you are, talk about pelvic floor dysfunction. When we talk about these things, we can really change the outcomes for people that are suffering in silence. Together, we can and will make a difference.